In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a business name in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to update it so your students see the correct business name on their receipts and related communications. This is a small but important detail for branding, clarity, and bookkeeping, so let's walk through it together. First, sign into your Teachable admin area. Make sure you're in the admin view of the correct school, not the student view. If you manage multiple schools, glance at the school switcher to confirm you're editing the right one before making changes. You'll need the appropriate permissions to update school settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the sidebar and select Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full menu. Inside Settings, click on General. This is where Teachable keeps your core school configuration, including important identity and contact details that appear to students. On the General page, scroll to the School Information section. Here, locate the business name field. This is the exact name Teachable will show on student receipts, so think of it as your customer-facing legal identifier. If you operate under a registered company name, consider entering it exactly as it appears on your official documents. If you use a doing business as name that your learners recognize, use that consistently so charges are familiar and reduce payment disputes. Keep it professional, avoid emojis or excessive punctuation, and double check for correct capitalization and spelling. Click into the business name field and type your business name. Take a moment to review it carefully. Remember, what you enter here influences what learners see on receipts, and depending on your setup, may also appear in other billing-related emails. Consistency across your payment processor, tax documents, and Teachable settings can help prevent confusion for students and simplify your accounting later. When you're satisfied, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Give it a second to process. You should see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. If you navigate away before saving, your update won't stick, so always use the Save button to finalize it. That's all there is to it. You've updated your business name in Teachable, ensuring students receive clear, professional receipts that reflect your brand. If you ever rebrand or need to adjust the wording, you can return to the same place. Settings, General, School Information. Edit the business name, and save again.